Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Twitter cards for landing pages, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To enable Twitter cards for your landing pages, start by logging into your Twitter developer account. If you don't have one, create a new account at developer.twitter.com. Next, navigate to the Twitter cards section in your developer dashboard. Select the type of Twitter card you wish to create. The most common types include summary card with large image, and app card. Once you have chosen a card type, click on the Create Card button. Fill in the required fields, such as the card's title, description, and image URL. Ensure your image follows Twitter's guidelines, like the minimum dimensions and file size. After completing the fields, save your Twitter card settings. Now, access your web server or content management system to add the necessary meta tags. In the HTML of your landing page, insert the meta tags provided by Twitter. These tags usually start with meta property followed by appropriate values for the card. Once the meta tags are in place, test your setup using the Twitter card validator. Simply paste your landing page URL into the tool and click Preview Card. If the card displays correctly, in case of any errors, double-check your meta tags for typos or missing information. After everything is confirmed, your Twitter card will be enabled for sharing on Twitter. This enhancement will help boost your engagement on the platform. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.